Um, Coming back to AI, right? How is AI impacting now Hivel's product roadmap and also experiences, right? So, I mean, there are now a new set of capabilities that can be built out, right? That's one bucket. And second is, I think, the way customers and users are consuming AI or how AI is manifesting in front of consumers. The front end experiences themselves are changing, right? So that's kind of the second bucket. So, on both these elements, how are things changing in Hivel's product and platform now?
Yeah, it's phenomenal in a way how much we can do with AI. Now that because the possibilities are endless, we need to be super clear about what you want to achieve as an outcome. Right now, the biggest challenge is not about lack of ideas or how to execute it. It's about what to execute. Right. So it's become a harder prioritization exercise than ever before. With ideas coming up and like, hey, I can do this. I'm like, no, engineers spend like half a day and say, Sudhir, I was able to do this. Let's go put it outside. No, right. So big features, what we want to do is like, slightly very, very focused. One, everybody, there's a lot of internal revamp changes internally, both from the org structure, the way the teams are doing the work to use AI and move things faster. That is number one. Second thing is about, like you rightly said, about the interfaces are changing. Hivel is all about dashboards and AI insights. Today, we are building something called Lucy, a chatbot powered deterministic chatbot that would allow you to answer questions, what the leaders are trying to see. So there's a chance that everybody may move from more screens to less screens or no screens. So we are there. We launched it, and it's receiving amazing response. Then the next thing is about all about developer productivity. Throughout our conversations, through these insights and what we have gained through millions of pull requests and hundreds of leaders, companies, discussions is people are taking 1 day to write the code, 4 days to review the code. With AI now, people are able to write the same level of code in 10 minutes, but the review is becoming a bottleneck. People are not using vibe coding just to write more code. You want to ship features faster, right? Just your today, because of the vibe coding, people are coding faster, but not shipping features because review is becoming a bottleneck. So I will realize that through the conversations, and we are launching a AI code review agent. And the way Cursor, Lovable, or any of these tools for AI coding assistants, they lack the evals are broken, right? They don't know what the outcome should be. That is why they hallucinate, they change what you're not supposed to be changing. There are so many memes and stories on Twitter and LinkedIn that talks about I paid $100 for the software and like no, I paid $1,000 for the mess it created. Right. So now code review becomes a critical component. And we are not going to remove the human component completely from it, but we are going to take a first pass at the code review, make sure I'm like, no, the right things are in place. We don't wait for the senior reviewer to come review it. But when the senior reviewer is there, it's all cleaned up. The mess is cleaned up. So we're launching a code review agent, chatbot. Internal processes have changed so much about how people are able to deliver features at breakneck speed.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, that's such a great insight. Code review becoming a bottleneck. And I think now it just seems like, with AI, all these new use cases are getting unraveled, right? And I think uh, the at least I'm kind of very convinced that for all the existing software companies, the TAM is just organically expanding now. So all the companies, I mean, Hivel, if pre-AI was at X, I think it'll be organically its market is 10X now.
It is
Yeah.
right. Right now, you are able to easily go and like now you have millions of software developers. Everybody needs whoever is using the coding assistant today. All those Cursor customers and Copilot customers, all of them, they need Hyvel writing code, reviewing code.